Good evening. We received an email from Eve of Singapore and we deemed it best to discuss her query here on the Rule of Law. In August of 2005, Eve married Daniel at the Manila City Hall. According to Eve, they never bothered to get a marriage license since a marriage ceremony was held within 30 minutes from the time that they arrived there. In the afternoon of their wedding day, Eve no longer had any communication with Daniel and had never seen him since. Almost 8 years had passed and Eve is now based in Singapore. Eve asks whether she can already remarry, considering that she never cohabited with Daniel and they no longer have any communication right after their wedding day. According to Eve, someone advised her that she can remarry after 7 years of non-cohabitation and absence of communication with her husband. Eve, whoever advised you that after 7 years of non-cohabitation and absence of communication with your spouse, you may already remarry, is absolutely wrong. Even if you have not communicated nor cohabited with your husband, your marriage still stands unless there are valid grounds for the nullity of your marriage. However, do not lose hope in remarrying. According to the details you have provided us, it appears that Daniel and you never applied for nor were issued a marriage license before you got married. Under Article 3 of the Family Code, one of the formal requisites of marriage is a marriage license. And under Article 4 of the Family Code, the absence of any of the formal requisites shall render the marriage void ab initio. In other words, the absence of a marriage license renders your marriage to Daniel void or ineffective from the very beginning. But a word of caution, Eve. Even if your marriage to Daniel is void from the very beginning, this does not immediately entitle you to enter into another marriage. You have to file a petition for declaration of nullity in court. Only the courts have the authority to decide whether a marriage can be declared void from the very beginning. Please remember that our opinions are based solely on the information you have provided us. We hope that we have been of help to you, Eve. Thank you for your continued trust on People's Television. Please email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.